center we got other video for changing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus or G975 screen replacement. Is broken. It's not, you can see his phone is on but it's not on the screen. So same the other videos. What you all need to do, we need to heat the back off. Wear the gloves please, do not hurt yourself. As you can see it's holded because of the heat. However, get what I have explained to my previous video. Always be sure you buy the correct screen for. There's a screen service pack, come with the earpiece, everything what you need. Just you need to take the board out and put in that one, include the battery. And always have in stock, it's good handy is that you have the back cover, battery cover in stock. If in case the battery cover is break because you want to open it, that you can replace it. Explain to the customer that its battery color may change. Alright. So what if you can't turn the phone off, unfortunately not able to do that with that one. Heat that. We are going to heat the phone back with a hot air gun in the middle, not too high temperature. In the camera area, don't heat it too much because we don't want to melt the lens inside. So we go to the start now. What you all need to do, you need to have something to that to go between, or very thin credit card, and you need to have sucker. If I can find it, it was here, there, something like that. All right, let me take the SIM card out now. Yeah, it's auto SIM. It was in there. So we take them out, put on the side. Okay, let's start. I think I'm going to change it back anyway because it's got, as just saw, here got a crack on the side there. This means I'm not worried too much, and you got a crack here as well, and it's too much to scratch. We don't charge any special, we don't charge extra money for the back replacement. This is one of our service, but however, I'm going to change it anyway. Even if it break, it's break, you know. Normally I use that one to pull it out before you put that one in there, but what I say, I don't really care about the bag because it was broken already and I'm going to replace it anyway. Some of Samsung S8 you got the fingerprint sensor in the back. You got a fingerprint sensor in the back. The flex, when you open it, careful, you not damage the flex. There you go. We need to that one. That one don't need it. Go away. Let me just clean that here. The glass. Always wear safety glass. Because it's you know, just wear the safety glass on the stop mounting. So let the take that one, open the screws. But I say to wear the safety glass is I have many times, not many times. 3 times, yes, it's going in my eyes, the glass is going in my eyes, and 1 time it was bad. Actually I must go to hospital and take the glass out, and it was bad pain. But if you ask me why I'm not wearing safety gloves, because I'm professional. So, wait for a second, I need to go in the back again. Someone called me. There, you can open from there without damaging inside. So there you go, put that one inside, you don't want to. Disconnect the battery. So Kowski, have you told them? Okay. Disconnected the headphone jack flex, disconnected the screen flex, disconnected front camera, put it on the side, be sure you're not touch it inside, we don't want to really make it there to the lenses. Open the screw, you should have 2 on the bottom there, and 1 top somewhere. There, you got 1 there. Fill it with screws, put that on the side, do not mix it up. So, headphone, take it out, use one of the, if I find it, yes, use one of them, headphone, put it in there, not to the end, just lift it up to come out. All of them I've explained in my previous videos, honestly, but do it again. Training is always never enough. So lift that one up, don't pull it out. You want to put the battery flex on the side. Now you are going to a little bit move it because it's sealed down there. So put that one both on the side, you don't need that one. Bring your original screen next to you. Put it next to each other, just to be sure you're transferring everything over. Prefer before you transfer completely, test the screen behind 100% sure it's working. So removing the front screen cover. The earpiece cover should be the seat. So everything there. Yes, everything there. We are going to put the... Oh, let me just clean the charging port. It's out now, it's a little bit dirty inside. So. Back in there. There we go. Sit nicely inside. The screwdriver. Oh, I have a comment. Did someone say why you are not using daddy screws, the electric one, to put back the screws in there on the main board? Because I don't have a control how tight it's doing it. And you don't want to take it too tight. You need to have, you don't want to really tight it up because you don't want to damage it. So let's have a look. So I just to check something. I'll put the SIM card in there. Have a look. It's go nicely inside without catching something. Yep, that's what I'm for. Yeah, there you go. Front camera. Yes. Headphone jack. Yes. So now to the battery. You can put alcohol underneath the battery to come out, but depends. You need to have a work it out. Have a look if you need to have put alcohol in there to easier to come off or not. Don't touch this area. This is your screen, and you don't want to damage it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going from this side. If it's going in there, nope. I'm going to the other side. Slowly. Okay, it's a bit hard to come out. Let's have a look. Yes. Remove the old glue. Black M3 for put the battery back in on the side. So before I put it back in there, just to check it quickly. The screen will be always checked, you know. You pay extra to one of the employees to check the screen. You're 100% sure it's working, but it's a good idea to check it anyway. Let's have a look. Oh, of course, I stupid. I have not connected the flex for the screen in there. Oh, I've shit myself. That's nothing, but so battery back in there. I have disconnected the battery when I plug the socket for the screen in. So again, I'll push it that one down to make it, to push it a little bit down the main board from here to connect it, the power flex with the main board. There you go. Alright. Disconnect the battery, remove it, remove the sticker tape, connect the battery in, don't stick it in, connect the battery in, put it in the right position, back in there, everything there, put back in there the back plate while it's charging, in there. So be sure everything nicely level with the frame. Yes. Go up. If you're using the electric screwdriver, don't hold it too tight. Let the screwdriver turn. If you look here, you see, I let it go. If your switch come end, you know what? I hope you understood what I mean. I'm sure you understood. You just don't want to tie it too. You don't want to really tie it. So, okay, this is up here. There you go. and one there. Okay, you see it's not going on screen. Open it again. Not going again. There you go. So we're going to go around it. Just tap it. No screws loose. No. All good. Using the red M3 sticker. Two options. You can stick here, or you can stick the back cover. It's come with a stick already. Don't like it. Don't use it. Remove it. I just heard something I break. Yes, I break it. Shit! Cuffs! Have you got the S10 back cover, please? Plus. I just break that one. This is what's happening, guys. Because I have pushed it too hard in the corners and this is what damaged it. Have you got it in the box? It was that one in the box. Because his one was cracked already and I have to change it anyway. And so I remove the glue on the side and push it too hard in the corner and break it. I hope you have one in. I'm sure you have one in. That's 9. Nope. It's so good. Huh? So what happened? I don't have any stock S10. What I'm going to do? No. What I'm going to do? I'm going to stick that one back in the phone to give it back to the customer, and I'm order the other one to come in and change it for him over. Shit happened. What should I do now? So put that one in, but I'm not going to use that one because I want to remove it again easily. This means I'm going to use the white M3 grey one to, with a little bit heat, it's come easily up, and it's not, when I remove it, it's not go be dirty too much. I don't need it cleaning too much for it, so let's stick it that one there. That is not, that one was bad. However, what I say, shit happened. You see, I'm not ready to stick it completely because what I say, I'm going to remove that one. I want to remove it easily, then the customer bring it back here. Just to do it very fast. Repair. So, remove there. This glue, this tape is like a paper tape, is it? Like a papery. And if you go with your finger on the top and you want to remove it, it easily come up. So let's put that camera back lens in there. Okay. Put that one back in. Okay. The main thing at the front one. This is okay. So quickly let it check. The once it's working, it should work everything fine. But this is the, most of my customers don't mind, you know, what time I replace it, but it's the time to come back again and don't know where it come from. Where's it? Oh, it's alright. It's just a next road, is it? It's not too far away. Probably I go pick up myself and repair it for, collect it and do it and spot. So, however, let's have a look. Starting the phone. Just while I'm keep you waiting, I want to show you how to access to the mode that you can test it. Let me do it back on. So go to the dialing mode, dialing pad, and keyboard hash, star hash 0 star hash. You come in this mode and you can test the phone like a speaker. Sub keys mean back, menu, home, side, Bixby, front and back, double click back, front camera, back camera. Honestly, someone is started calling now. We're going to decline it because we don't want to talk. So, receiver. You should check your proximity sensor as well. How you check your proximity sensor? Have a look what network the phone is locked to. In that case, it's O2. I'm dialing 4444 and dial, and you hold on the top there. Oh, it cannot go outgoing call. Okay. Okay, let's try call my shop. Call. You see, it's turned off. Okay, this is how you check the proximity sensor as well. However, damn it. If you got any question about that repair, drop a comment. Don't send any stupid comments on this. You know what I mean? Oh, you have broken the back like that stuff, you know. I don't think anyone perfect. So, however, if you have any question, drop a comment. I try my best to help you. Thank you for watching. And if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel. Keep safe. Have a good day. I'll talk to you later. K1 Repair Center.